Right, so hello again. I'm back with a more review of Z's new kernel that he released. From the last video, people have asked me to show some games running on it, and I'm gonna do that today as well as show some other improvements that I missed in the last review. So it's already booted. I gave it some time so it's as smooth as possible. As you can see, I installed ATW launcher, so everything is much smoother than the default Android launcher. You got the standard. Okay. You have the pinch in to zoom out feature. That works quite nicely, even though I couldn't get it on a first try. But as you can see, it's very smooth, and I really like it. In the last one, I said the browser performance is really impressive, so I'm just gonna show you that. Actually, no. I'm gonna go to XDA developers, just to show you how smoothly the browser works. Now I installed obviously I installed a dual touch update from binary, but I haven't quite gotten it to work in the browser yet, or Google Maps. Not really worried about that since this is not my main ROM, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Right, excuse the slow Wi-Fi connection. Right, so we're up, and yeah, pretty smooth actually. It's like much smoother than the stock. Wow, okay, that was unexpected. Let's try that again. XTA. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the phone. Much smoother experience. Zooming in, although you have to double tap, is very impressive, and the scrolling is just amazing. I love it. Um, anyway, since last time I installed a few more apps, like you can see Barnacle there, and yeah, I guess I'll run a test on that. Let me turn on my wireless connection and I'll show you that indeed so wireless tethering is working. Turn on Barnacle and just waiting for the HSP to start. There you go. So hit start. It started, and I'm just gonna show you my desktop screen. As you can see here, I indeed should be able to see Barnacle right there, and can connect to it. And you just heard the familiar beep of the phone connecting to the computer. And as you can see, it's connected to my computer. So I'm going to stop that. Sorry, I can't really run a demonstration. All out of data for this month. So yeah, it's off lock. Back to games review, what this thing is really about. I installed Neocore, as you can see it, and I'm gonna run it. One thing I gotta say, don't really see any improvements in the games. I don't know why that is, but yeah, that's what it is. Still runs at the standard 30 frames per second. I don't know what's up with that. So yeah, let's just watch. Now you should know that I enabled just-in-time compiler, so it should perform better than the last time I ran it, but I'm not really hopeful for that. Right, as you can see, that is a 28.9 FPS score that it got on it. Not really impressive considering that it's running a new kernel with an uncapped FPS. I don't know why that is. It's not really a complaint as much as, well, it's under development. Um, right. So the other game I installed was Need for Speed Shift. Obviously, this is one of the better 3D games for Android, so I had to test it out. Again, don't see any improvement in performance. Let's decrease that volume. Loads up pretty much standardly and runs standard as well. So it's gonna give it a few seconds of runtime just to give you guys an overlook. Yeah, although it's installed, it runs pretty smoothly when you look at the phone. My camera is not really uh, something you would want to capture this with. But yeah, it's really playable. But as I said, I don't think there's any improvement in frames per second since the stock ROM. So I'm gonna quit that now because I'm bored with the game. The other game I installed was Angry Birds Rio, as requested by one of you guys. And I should be running that. So let's move on to the next level. Obviously, J-Touch works here quite smoothly. Again, the performance is the same. I wouldn't say it's any different. It's not worse, but I would expect better. So there you go. So the performance of that. What else? I installed Fruit Ninja. I don't know what this game is about. It seems quite popular, so I installed it. Don't really see why people like it so much. But oh, hold up. Let me turn off my connection because I don't want to get any extra charges on my bill. Right, back to the game. Alright, so I'm guessing I should click new game. Okay, classic. So, I really don't see what's so fun about this game. It performs quite nicely, I guess. Never really played it on the original ROM, so can't say much. Yeah, so that happened. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the review. There's nothing else which I can say at this point. Thanks for watching.